Hey, I just got my helmet, glove, and goggle package in from One Storm. Pretty excited. I bought a Hawk 250 DXL, and I've been looking for a helmet to kind of match the bike, and I think I found the perfect one. So we're going to get this thing unboxed and compare it to the bike and find out. I've been riding that Hawk for about, I don't know, a couple weeks now. Pretty nice bike. I really like it. Really enjoy it. Good commuter bike. May not take it motocrossing, but, you know, just for riding back and forth to work and an occasional off-road adventure, hey, it's really good. Okay, first up, here's the gloves that come with that package. And they have a leather palm and then mesh, which is the blue you see, and it has a looks like minimum padding on the outside. A pretty good looking glove, and they feel really good. And now these are the goggles that came with this package, and they're okay. Nothing to write home about, but those can be upgraded easily. And then the One Storm bag, helmet bag. Okay, first look. I don't know, when I ran across the ad, I just thought this was a really good looking helmet. And mouthpiece. Really nice graphics. And there's a little vent there. Yeah, super nice finish on this. And there's a couple of vents at the back. And yes, it is DOT approved. And here's the top. That visor does adjust. And you can see me moving it up and down, articulating it. Not a ton of movement, but some. And we're just locking that back into place. The top view. And now moving inside. Has some really nice padding inside. And this isn't my favorite type of way to cinch the helmet down. It's a little ratchet system, but it works. I'm a bigger fan of the D-ring style. And then that little tab there is a quick release. Yeah, really nice padding, really comfortable helmet. Now this is an extra large, and it fits really snug. And I usually wear about a 7.5 in a hat. And there's a little shot with the goggles in place. It's a really good looking helmet. Okay, and this is what you get with that package. And then there's the storage bag for the helmet. And we'll do a quick walk around. And for the price point on this helmet, it was a really, really good deal. All right, over to the bike. Let's see how it looks close to the bike, color-wise. And there it is. Now, this isn't a paid advertisement or anything. This is just the price of that package. Hey, thanks for watching.